So it's raining right now. Well, it stopped for the moment, but it is flooded. So apparently in Balboa, it's flooded really bad. And Convoy, it's flooded really bad. These kids are having a blast. Look at the kids, they're having fun. Oh my God. It's traveling towards me. Should I move? Wow. Thank God San Diego doesn't get a lot of rain. This guy's having fun. I don't know why. Stupid idiots. You're gonna be having lots of fun when the car gets stuck. Holy cow. This is everywhere in San Diego right now. We have an imminent flash flood warning. And there was a tornado warning